Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all time zones. So we're going to continue with the lesson. And in the previous video, we were discussing how to multiply monomials by polynomials. In this one, we are going to see how to multiply binomial by binomial. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring the first term of the first binomial multiplied by the first term of the second binomial. So x times x will be x squared. X then multiply the first term of the first binomial with the second term of the second binomial. So x times 7 will be 7w plus, and then we are going to multiply the second term of the first binomial with the first term of the second binomial. So it will be 4 multiplied by x will be 4x. And then you are going to multiply the second term of the first binomial with the second term of the second binomial. So 4 times 7 will be 28. And then the question didn't end here. I will find if I have any like terms that I can add together. In this case, I have 7w and 4x. 7w? Why have written it w? No, it's actually 7x. Weird. Okay. Anyways, and then I'm going to add 7x to 4x. So 7 plus 4x will be 11x. So x squared plus 11x plus 28. This is the answer of the question. We're going to do the same thing with the second question. 2 multiply the first by the first. 2x times x will be 2x squared. Multiply the first by the second. 2x times 5 will be 10x. Negative 3 multiplied by x will be negative 3 times x will be negative 3x. And then I have a negative 3 multiplied by 5 will be negative 15. I have like terms, two of them actually. I have 10x and minus 3x. 10x minus 3x will be 7x. Let's go with the second question. Multiply also the first by the first. So 3x multiplied by 2x will be 6x squared. Multiply 3x by negative 1, and you're going to get negative 3x. Then you are going to multiply the second by the first. Negative 4 times 2x will be minus 8x. Negative 4 times negative 1 will be plus 4. And then you are going to add the same terms, or the like terms. So you have 6x squared as the beginning, negative 3 minus 8. So both of them are negative. The answer will be negative. 3 plus 8 will be 11. So 11x plus 4. The fourth question we have is somehow a special case. You can say that x minus 4 all squared. So 2 squared, what does this mean? 2 squared means 2 times 2. So it is the same thing multiplied by the same thing. So x minus 6 all squared means x minus 6 multiplied by x minus 6. And this is the only additional step that you need to do. And then you're going to do the same steps. Multiply the first by the first. X times x will be x squared. X multiplied by negative 6 will be negative 6x. And then we want to multiply the second by the first. Negative 6 times x will be negative 6x. Then negative 6 times negative 6 will be plus 36. And here we are going to add the like terms. So x squared, like terms is negative 6x, and negative 6x will be minus 12x plus 36. And this is the end of the question. Thank you much for watching the video. And if you find this video beneficial to you, please subscribe and like. It will benefit the channel a great deal. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next one.